After opening new Canva project, go to Elements, Shapes, go to Basic Shapes and choose the circle. Let's change the color. Let's choose yellow. Increase a little bit the size and place it like this. And go back to Elements, Frames, Basic Shapes, click See All, and scroll down to this one. Place it exactly with the circle. Increase the size to fit the circle. And now let's bring any image. Let's use, for example, this one. Drop it inside, double click. Let's adjust the size and the position. And remove the background. And here is the result. Select all. Increase the size. And you can drop any image inside. Double click. Adjust the size and the position. And here is the results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.